Design with Emma, let's make a change. Nothing is too far and out of range. Budget friendly magic with a soft sprinkle. Watch the inspiration and the ideas grow. Emma's got the vision, you've got the heart. Spring is the season for a brand new start. So go ahead and subscribe.
Good afternoon. Today's video is on my front porch makeover. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take you in and let you take a look at it. Then I'm gonna come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit about what I have here. I have the little bunny wreath, the tulip wreath. I did purchase it from Ross's, but I went in and I've added the little bunny to it. So I added the bunny and I put the ribbon and the flowers on it. So it actually is a double wreath. And the little bunny here, I picked it up at the Goodwill. Next, what I've done, I've added the welcome inside. We are all the same. And it has the little colorful bunnies, all in different colors. As you come over here to the side, I have the stacked eggs in a gold, and around the eggs I have the little bee with the chick on. Now the bees with the chick, I purchased those from Hobby Lobby, and the stackable eggs were purchased from the Dollar Tree. I think I purchased those from the Dollar Tree. No, Five Below. They were purchased from Five Below. The lantern is one that I did a DIY. It was brown. I repainted it black. It was gifted to me from my friend. Inside, I've added the little yellow bunny and lights, so it lights up at night. And I've added the Happy Easter ribbon, and I also kept my black and white ribbon. And the ribbon was from the Dollar Tree. The black and white ribbon, I think, was from Michael's. Okay, as you come up, you see the little bunny ears, and they have a little flower on them. The bunny ears were from Hobby Lobby. And I've just stuck them here in the planner with the noticed I have another beautiful ribbon here, which was also from the Dollar Tree, and it has the little eggs on it. You come on this side, I still have that Happy Easter ribbon and the black and white check. I've also added one of the double stacked eggs here with the little chick beads around it. This ribbon is a little different. It has like the eggs and the little bunnies on it. It was from the Dollar Tree, and I have the bunny ears. So that is my front porch spring decor. I hope I've given you all some ideas when decorating your porch for the spring. I will be leaving. If you would, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my front porch makeover. I will be bringing you back for the night view. And now for the night view. As you can see, I placed the twinkling lights in each one of the lanterns. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this front porch makeover. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.